me, this color is different for these trucks. I don't think I ever saw a truck like this color. And they got color match wheels. Got graphics all across the side. Everything painted. I like this single cab with this color combo. The white, the gray, the black, the orange. Orange bed liner with white tubs, doghouse. Look at that back glass. TV screens behind the headrest. Oh, they did a dash swap too. Wait. Oh, they graphed this truck. Oh, I see. They tail light converted it, they front end swap converted it. Okay. So they did a conversion on this truck. All these years I never paid attention to that till just now. That's nice, that's clean. Big TRX. Go over here, Jurassic Trucking got some lifted trucks also. You got this clean 2020 Denali lifted with the floating caps. It's just paper. It's real clean. How y'all doing? Got a lifted Sierra double cab. Some intro billets. Look like some 26x16s. Now this right here, first gen, my bad, second gen long bed extended cab Cummins. Let's see. I don't know how big it is, but it's nice. White suspension. Bluetooth drive shaft. Resurrected lift. This look like some 30-inch TISs. The paint job on this thing is clean too. Let me go back to the front so you can see what this thing look like. This bitch nasty. With the 4th gen front bumper.